What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming. Well, it's a piece of hair right here. Okay, so I'm happy to tell you guys that I'm going to be showing you guys how me and my brother made bulgogi. It was at request of my babe, and we just kind of went on to do it for him because, yeah, you know, it's a nice surprise for him. We're surprising him with it, basically. But yeah, so we're gonna get to the video and I'm gonna show you guys how we made bulgogi. Okay, so here is my frozen spinach and kale artichoke hearts, and my brother already has the garlic and the beef shaved already in prep. So right now I'm showing you that I'm getting ready to boil the artichoke hearts and the spinach, and I put garlic, cream cheese, real mayo, sour cream. You guys don't judge, I'm just making it work. But basically you blend all that up in there after the vegetables finish cooking. I put some grated Parmesan. I'm gonna put all of how much I used in there in the description. And I basically used some crushed red pepper and some salt to taste. And yeah, you basically cook it all together on low, medium low. Yeah, so here's my brother. I'm just gonna let you guys watch because
so when I use soy sauce, I do a 1-to-2 ratio. So if I do 1 cup of soy sauce, I do 2 cups of brown sugar or 2 cups of honey. That way it balances out the sweet and salty.
okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but he folded his green onions and then he started chopping them. That was the fast way to chop them. I've never done that before, but that's a pretty cool technique.
Smell the way the onion hits.
Oh yeah.
You'll get into that.
So if you want to knob a piece of ginger, all you need is a spoon. It's just a root. Yeah. And that smell is fucking gorgeous.
This right here is necessary. Oh no! I didn't have red leaf lettuce, but I got the green leaf lettuce. I don't know how to do it. Video.
I begin to I begin to
That's a bougie chef made plate from yours for me. Decent.
Hold on, let me turn this light on real quick. Baby, we're going to spend it. Here you go. That's the bulgogi ice cream. Now I just want to see your reaction. Keep that in mind. Yeah, I'm alright. Hey, I was learning for you, okay?
You was learning.
Yes, we did. We cooked together. You got your spin dip, and all you need is some buns. Alright, cool. What's up? So, let me know what you guys think in the comments about the bulgogi. I know I was initially gonna make it with some kimchi, but I ended up pairing it with sushi rice because I forgot the kimchi. But yeah, Bae ended up loving it. I'm so excited, and I know I'm gonna be making it more often for him. And thanks for tuning in and hanging out with me and my brother and my family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.